Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use parental control in Facebook. So you need to understand that both the parents and the child's device, you have to make sure to have a Facebook account. So to set up a parental control on Facebook, you want to log into your child's account. So let's say you're the child, or let's say I'm the child. So you have to log into the child's account. And next, you want to go to the settings. So in order to go to settings, you want to simply tap on the menu bar from the top right, scroll down, click on settings and privacy, and once again go to settings section. As you go to the settings section, you have these tools and resources section where you could go ahead and click on privacy checkup as well. You could go ahead and do these, or you could go to these options. And next, you could also click on the family center. So this is where you could go ahead and actually set up a parental control section. So you just need to go ahead and send the invitation. Now, apart from it, you could also go ahead and click on supervision. You could find it here. So you could tap on the search bar and type in or look for supervision. So when you type in supervision here, you should be able to locate this option. You just need to click on it and then go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt in order to set up a parental control on Facebook. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.